Welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial video. Today we're going to show you how you can download and install the Betterment application on your device. If you want to start investing using the Betterment application, then the first step is to download and install it. Open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then tap on Search. Now just type in Betterment and start your search. Once you find the application, tap on it, and you can check the application details as well as reviews left by users. Tap on the Install button to begin the download and installation. Then just wait until the installation is completed. And now you can open up the application and proceed with logging in or signing up to your account. If you find this tutorial guide helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll be back with another tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. By the way, you may also find these videos useful if you're getting started on your investing journey.